Hello, hello. Good morning. Medyo maaga ako ngayon ah. Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy Thanksgiving. Beautiful people in Canada. It's Thanksgiving Day po dito sa Canada. So, kalalabas ko lang kahit Thanksgiving, edi magtuturo pa rin. Kasi nga po, puno ang resort pagka Thanksgiving, di ba? It's holiday here in Canada. The good news is that I don't work on holidays anymore, right? So that's always a good news there. I used to go crazy. But no. Slowing down time na, di ba? Yeah, so anyhow, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. Sunshine, yes, beautiful sunshine. Abigail, thank you ladies, thank you for watching, kala-live ko lang, and thank you for tuning in. Kung saan man po kayo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope your day is amazing, you are happy, you are healthy, and you are having fun, right? Yes, it's Thanksgiving Day po dito sa Canada. So, yeah, but anyhow, pauwi pa lang ako. Nagturo ako ng aking aqua fitness this morning. So, that's why pauwi pa lang tayo. But oh boy, beautiful day, 20 degrees outside. So, talagang naka short sleeve pa tayo kahit November na. Loida, thank you ladies, maraming salamat. Yeah, so anyhow, I always say shout out sa aking mga followers diyan, mapabago man o mapaluma. I always acknowledge you guys, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I appreciate sa mga tawag nun, engagement nyo sa aking page, likes, share. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you, kahit mapabago o mapaluma man kayo. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Yeah, so anyhow, pag-usapan po natin is we're going to talk about life. About life, kung anong gagawin natin. O, diba? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Ayan na naman. And unstable daw ang aking internet. Sorry po. But anyhow, hindi ko kayo kinik out, ha? hindi lang stable yung aking internet daw. But anyhow, yeah, pag-usapan natin ang life because, of course, those of you guys who are following me, alam nyo na I have a business that I am growing online. So I mean, I'm using social media platforms to grow my business, to share my amazing online business, and my biggest platform is Facebook. So kung nagla-live or kung ano yung pinopost ko, that is to share to everyone na there is another way to earn. Hindi lang tayo, there's a smart way to earn where hindi tayo talagang tawag na kakayod na katulad ng kakayod marino na pinapatay natin ang ating katawan. However, we still have to work on it to grow. Ang pinaka dito sa business kasi, dito sa online business is kahit naman anong business, kailangan mo talagang i-build yung foundation. However, dito pagka na-build na yung foundation mo is na lang, talagang very easy na lang. So that's why we always say we work smarter, not harder. We still work, okay? Because your business, any kind of business, any businesses, Lani, thank you for watching. Any kind of business, you have to work on it because kung hindi, mamamatay yan, di ba? Sunshine, thank you. Mamamatay yan. And once na na-build up mo na yan, kailangan mo yang diligan, di ba? Think about pagka nagtanim ka. Bubunga ba yung itinanim mo? Matutubo ba yan ng maganda kung hindi mo yan didiligan? Kung hindi mo yan aasikasuhin? Kung hindi mo tatanggalan ng damo yan, di ba? So, think about it as like that. Any businesses na hindi mo inaarugaan, hindi mo inaalagaan, hindi yan mag-grow. So the same concept applies for online business. However, Leonie, thank you for watching. However, the difference is that, as I have mentioned earlier, once na your business is built up, then pa-easy ka na lang. You can take it anywhere. So that is why we can, we can basically earn anywhere we are. Kaya nasa vacation kami, kaya nasa kahit saan. Right? So yeah, so that is the difference. And on top of that, we are building legacy as well. So we are building because dito sa business na ginagawa namin, it's proven na 9 years na po namin ginagawa ang system na to. And then yung affiliate company namin is 51 years na po in the business. So hindi yan magpa-file ng bankruptcy. It's $1 billion company. So yeah. So you're very kampante kami na talagang we have the solid foundation, we have a solid system which ang dami nang naging milyonaryo, ang dami nang nakapag-retire ng maaga, so we know that it works, right? So we know that we are in the right business. Now, ang nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is there is no perfect time. The only time that we have is now. Why? Because I talk to a lot of people na sasabihin, oh, I'm not ready yet. It's not time yet. Right? So, even if you saw the potential and then sasabihin mo na, oh, I think it's not time yet. I have to wait. I have to pay this, pay that, blah, blah, blah. Guess what? Hindi natin, the things that happened yesterday, we could not change that. That is the reality. Future, hindi natin hawak yan. We don't know what's gonna happen tonight. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow morning. So the only time that we literally have is right now, at this moment. Totoo, di ba? Right at this moment, yan lang yung time natin. So, paano natin gagamitin ang time natin right now will dictate kung ano tayo tomorrow sa susunod pang mga araw. Whatever action we do now, yaan ay isa sa magiging foundation o isa yan sa magiging determining factor kung ano ka bukas. Diba? So when you say, that's why I always say to them na yung magsasabi sa akin na, no, I don't think it's time yet. I have to wait, blah, 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 blah. Mag-ipon muna ako. Guess what? Amalia, thank you for watching. Anything na you delay, you're just delaying your progress. Those are just excuses. Because when you say, a lot of people, Jeneline, thank you for watching. A lot of people are praying. Hindi lang naman ako yung nagpipray na sana umasenso yung buhay ko. Hindi lang ako yung nagpipray na sana mabago yung sitwasyon ko. Lahat siguro tayo, di ba? Lahat siguro tayo. However, kung sino yung nagtitake action, sila yung nagkakaroon ng progress. Because yung iba, there's if you just wish and pray, it doesn't matter how you pray. It doesn't matter if you pray every single minute, yet you don't do any action, wala pa rin. Right? Wala pa rin. So, it has to go hand in hand. It has to go. If you see something na kinutuban ka, our gut feeling is talagang driving force natin yan. You have to proceed with caution as well. Because that online business, ang dami dyan. Super dami. Ang dami kong nakakausap na naloloko. It's because what they're looking is yung easy money. Linda, thank you for watching. Easy money. You know what? Easy money, easy go. Easy come, easy go. I would rather work and know the in and out of my business and build a foundation which I know that I can pass on to my kids, to my family, and at the same time I'm not only growing my finances, I am growing as a person as well. So kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko now, I will appreciate it because I've done it. Diba? I'd rather do that. I'd rather work hard for myself and look forward for my future, and not only myself na nakikinabang, but my kids, my family, and I am also helping other people. I would rather do that. Because guess what, guys? We're not in this world just to work, pay bills, and die. Napaka-lonely ng buhay na yan. Right? But if you are into something where you grow your finances, you grow yourself, you're helping other people, napakasarap ng feeling. Diba? So that is the difference. Kaya ako nag-i-enjoy because I like, you know, kung ano yung nalalaman ko na isi-share ko yan. So which is amazing. At saka ang dami ko rin nakukuhanan ng ideas on how to improve myself, how to improve my business. So that is the difference po dito sa online business na ginagawa ko, because we have all the resources and we know na we are 100% legitimate. So circle back doon sa aking topic that I say there is no perfect timing. So there is no perfect timing. Talaga. So when you see something, so kung nagpe-pray kayo na I hope my situation will change, I hope na mabago yung pamumuhay ko, the way I live, parang ayoko na dito sa hell, thank you for watching. I don't like where I am now. I am not growing. I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. I feel stuck. I'm still doing the same thing for how many years now? 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and looks like life is still the same. Meaning, hindi ka nag-i-improve talaga. So anong gagawin mo doon? So if you're praying for something and you see this opportunity that's online, and then paiiralin mo yung takot mo, or you will give excuses to yourself na it's not the right timing, sinong niloloko mo? Ikaw pa rin, di ba? Because it has shown to you, ipinakita na sa iyo yung pinagpipray mo. So kung doubt ka, hindi, dito sa amin, yes, marami nga dyan, pero ifa-factor din natin yan, but dito sa amin, we're always transparent. Kaya lagi kong sinasuggest yan, go into the next step. We are, where we have our 30 days money back guaranteed. So, because walang mawawala sa iyo. It is a peace of mind for you, because i-lay out sa iyo lahat ng gusto mong malaman in and out of the business, lahat ng mai-connect ka sa coach which can answer your questions. So lahat na yan, and then you're given 30 days para pag-isipan yan kung para sa iyo talaga ang business na ito or hindi. So at least kampante ka. If you would say no, at least kampante ka na nakita mo mismo. Right? You decide based doon sa fact na nakita mo mismo, hindi yung sabi-sabi lang, hindi na, ay yung kaibigan ko nag-sign up diyan pero hindi naman nag-succeed. Alam mo ba kung anong ginawa ng kaibigan mo? Baka naman hindi siya nagpaturo. Baka hindi niya ginagawa ang business. Baka ang iniisip niya is porket nag-umpisa ka ng business is kikita ka na. No. Kailangan mo pa rin trabahuin ito. So, I'm always transparent na sinasabi ko yan. The same way with other businesses, the only difference is talagang dito, nagbi-build ka ng foundation. Once na na-build mo na ang foundation mo, mapagaan ang buhay mo in the future. Tiyagaan. Kung nagtiyaga ka na magtrabaho in the same work for 10, 15 years, 25 years, 30 years, bakit wala kang tiyaga na i-build up ang sarili mo para ikaw mismo ang makikinabang? Diba? Super, diba? So that is my mindset. That is my mindset. I have been working since I was 20. Since I finished college. I have been working. Right? Pero paano? Kung hindi ako naglakas ng loob na to do something different, because think about it, if you are still doing the same thing over and over and over again, and then yung buhay mo is ganun pa rin, gumawa ka na ng hakbang. Do something different so you will have different outcome. Because if you're going to stay stuck, you're going to stay the same place where you were 20, 30 years ago. Hindi yan mababago unless na gumawa ka ng hakbang. Diba? So yes, medyo maano yung aking but anyhow, I'm just being honest with you guys. So yeah, so I hope it makes sense. So there's no perfect timing at all. Because sa sinasabi ko na kanina, yesterday, hindi natin maibabalik yan. The only thing na magagawa natin, if we made mistake yesterday, we have the chance to correct it today. At sa susunod na mga araw para hindi na maulit yung mistake na yan. Right? Now, don't wait for perfect timing na tomorrow, next day. No, kasi hindi natin hawak ang buhay. We don't know. Right? That's the reality. So, if you think, listen to yourself. Huwag kayong maniwala sa outside world. It's inside. It's in you. Nasa gut feeling mo yan. Listen to yourself, not the outside world. Kung nagpipray ka na mapagaan ang buhay mo, mapaasenso ang buhay mo, and then nakakakita ka ng katulad nito na nag-educate sa iyo na yes, there is another way. We don't have to always like struggle and tadtarin ang ating katawan to work hard. There is another way to earn na mag-grow tayo. Hindi lang yung finances natin, yung every aspect of our life will grow. Then, kung pinakita na sa iyo yan, that is your sign. So, check it out. Kasi yan ang sign mo. Hindi mababago ang sitwasyon mo kung pray ka lang ng pray. Right? Prayers plus action, yan ang magiging success mo. Pero kung prayers ka lang without action, then, hindi ka rin uusad. Kung puro ka naman action na hindi mo inaayos wala kang pray, then kahit anong kayod ang gawin natin na hindi tayo nagpapasalamat sa lakas ng katawan natin, hindi tayo nagpapasalamat sa talento natin, hindi tayo nagpapasalamat sa oportunidad na meron tayo, then hindi din tayo i-bless. Kahit anong kayod natin, ganun pa rin tayo ng ganun. So, dapat it will go hand in hand. Prayers and action. Hand in hand talaga yan. Dapat. Because we're nothing. We're nothing. Without God, without God, we are nothing. Right? That is the reality. So anyhow, grab your chances. Fanny, thank you for watching. But I'm not gonna stay long, guys. Lagi mahaba na naman ang aking live. But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So don't wait for perfect timing, because the only time that you have is right now, today, right at the moment. Right? But Rihanna, thank you for watching. Yes, so I hope it makes sense. But anyhow, if you guys would like to get information about the business na ginagawa ko, and nasa aking business page po ang aking website, all you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then yung aming back office na po ang magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. See? Because I have set up my back office and everything, so easy na lang, di ba? Pindot na lang, but I'm still working, of course. Excuse me. So that is why, like, you know, I'm always excited to share with you guys, because hindi success doesn't have to be working so hard, like long hours, 12, 15 hours na nakakalimutan na natin ang sarili natin, ang pamilya natin. Which lagi natin sinasabi, family is is important. Sila dapat yung number 1. Pero guess what? Sila lagi ang nasa baba ng listahan natin because we are always busy working hard. Diba? So anyhow, I hope it makes sense. But thank you again. Ang dami nyo, sinasamahan nyo ako. Thank you. Maraming salamat. At doon sa manunood po ng replay, I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you. And enjoy the rest of your Monday. Enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving Day kung nandito kayo sa Canada. And wherever you are in the world, be happy.